Let me tell you a little story. Batuu, the entire Outer Rim really is lawless. You will see our truth. The First Order is forever!
Stormtroopers came in, threats were made, but our friend would not back down.
Surely we can count on you now.
Wow. Watch the master work.
These relics, their power is real.
Something terrible has happened here.
I'm gonna need your help.
Received your distress call. The Council did.
If every world had a hero like you, my existence would be considerably less stressful.
Uh-oh! More troopers headed your way!
Give them hell, partner.
You made it! All in one piece!
Oh, wonderful.